Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is a 2015 Honda Civic SI, beautiful white. My boy Tyson Lee, a childhood best friend of mine, just slammed it, put it on some coils. We're gonna take it around right now, give you guys a ride quality, kind of a review of how the tins ride. I mean, check it out. Eliminate a little bit of the wheel gap, man. Okay, so yeah, he just brought them. He just installed them, adjusted the ride height just a little bit, and we're gonna go around the block today, dude. He's blessed me with the privilege to drive his car. He trusts me with his baby. And thank you for that. We're gonna take it around, do some pulls, hit some bumps, see how it rides, see how it handles, see if we can daily it, man. Hop on in, let's do it. All right, boys, we are, ooh, that clutch light, holy moly, you don't even know the clutch is there. All right, dude, it's been a while, man, since I drove a, car's on? Oh, there she is. There she is. Wow, that clutch is light, bro. 9th gen SI, guys, K24Z something. I'm not an expert, but I used to actually have one. Ooh, okay, yeah, you can definitely tell it's on coils. It's a little bumpy, but it rides good.
Yeah, it's not the best.
Did you get an alignment already?
Yeah.
Ooh, alignment, big boo. You already warmed this bad boy up? Oh, dude. VTech, bro. Oh yeah, we cooking rice in this motherfucker. Thank you, man. Hell yeah, bro. The clutch is real light. This thing's amazing. 10 coilovers, and these are MSRP about what?
About 1,000.
Ooh, you dropped the grain on coils? Oh my god, he got money. We got money. Yo, you pay for what you get, man. This thing rides pretty good, honestly. Yeah, bro. Left the preload alone, only adjusted the ride height, and it feels wonderful. I don't know why people hate on 10s, or however you pronounce them. Ooh, yeah, dampening.
Yeah, dampening.
Did you mess with it? You left it alone?
It's in the middle right now.
Middle, yeah, man. Usually I would probably just leave it. I mean, for daily driving, you probably want it a little softer, but this is nothing uncomfortable. I'm not complaining about anything. And I got lower back problems. So like my back hurts. Yeah, for real, dude.
For real?
Man, I'm getting old, bro.
You are pretty tall, bro.
And ooh, okay, there's a little bump right there. Yep, I can feel it. I felt my sack jump in the air for a little second. and then it hit the seat again. I felt that one. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. This thing is smooth. How many miles? 43? VTech, dude. So why you let Hoy drive your car and he wrecked it?
Nah, he killed that bitch, bro. He stalled it.
Oh man. Yeah, the Civic is actually, the clutch is real light in this car, so you can drive it really well. But as we're driving around the town though, let's get back on topic. The 10s, overall very good coilover, man. You got more adjustability. Tyson's probably gonna get some wheels in the future. I think for a daily, man, that might be all you really need. You might need an exhaust, so your car's like more fun to drive.
Well, watch out.
And then you can.
Well,
I'm glad she went in the right lane she was supposed to go in. It's nice. I don't even feel a difference from stock.
Yeah. I mean,
it's just like when you go over bumps, it's a very slight noticeable difference. It's a little harsh, but that's what coilovers are. For performance. Because just for you adding coilovers to this thing probably has another 50 horsepower now, bro. Woo!
Oh, man, it's funny.
You getting wheels now, bro, or what?
In the future.
Yeah, man, this thing's dope. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you guys for checking out. Just a quick little review, man. Shout out for Tyson, let me drive his car. We just got done working out and stuff, so I decided to just do a quick little drive around the block, review the 10 coilovers. And overall, guys, definitely recommend them. Go ahead and grab them and continue to fucking VTech, bro. Fucking. All right, dudes.